Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how you can join your friends in Roblox. A couple of things here first. You need to make sure that you have the ability to join your friends by going to your settings. So here we are on the app. If we go to our settings, click on the three dots there at the bottom, and then navigate to where you see settings or the gear icon, and then go to where you see privacy. Go ahead and tap into privacy. And then once you are here, you should see a couple of things. The other things that you see here would be who can join me in experiences, who can join me. All of these things would need to be set to friends. Just so you can join them and play with your friends. So go into privacy and you can see who can message me, who can do all of that. You need to make sure that all of these privacy settings are set up so you actually can join your friends, because this could be something that prevents you from doing so in what I'm about to show you. So once you have all of your settings ready to go ahead and go back to your Roblox home page here on the app, or the home screen, whatever you want to call it. And then if someone is online and in a game that you want to join them, what you would do is you would just tap on their avatar or their image there in your friends list, and then you can see here on mobile it says they are playing a specific game, and then you'll see the green join button down below. You can either view their profile, chat with them, but if we want to join them, then all we would do is tap the green button there that says join, and then if all of our settings are good to go and ready, you will be joining within the game that they are currently playing. So that's how you do it. That's how you join someone. I'm going to go ahead and actually leave this specific one here just to show you one more time. You tap into their avatar there on the friends list, and then tap on the green join button there to join them, and that'll join in their exact server there, their exact place. You know, depending on the thing that you're doing or the game that you're playing, you may not see them immediately, but you will be a part of their game if you are able to join them and you have your settings set up properly. Now, if we hop over to desktop here, we are on Roblox.com, the homepage here. You'll see if someone is playing something here, you'll see the green little controller icon. If they're online, it'll just show as green. If they're playing something, it'll show the green controller icon, and you'll actually see the game that they're playing. And when you're ready to go, you just click the join button here. And then once you click it, you'll be able to join them and play the game that they are playing. Couple of things: you got to make sure you are friends with the person you're trying to join, and number two, make sure that your privacy settings are not preventing you from doing so. So that's it. That's how you join people and play with your friends on Roblox. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.